A raging boardwalk fire has engulfed several blocks in Seaside Park, New Jersey, which was still recovering from Hurricane Sandy, which devastated the area in 2012. The 6-alarm blaze moved quickly from Seaside Park to Seaside Heights, destroying a 6-block length of the boardwalk, which was just rebuilt in time for Memorial Day in May. The federal relief program spent an estimated $37 billion after Hurricane Sandy hit New Jersey, the second costliest storm in the U.S. after Hurricane Katrina. New Jersey Governor Chris Christie said the aftermath of the storm has posed serious challenges in the city.
There also have been some challenges with water supply because of damage to the system post-Sandy. And so in order to work around this, we are drawing lines from Barnegat Bay. So much of the water that you see fighting the fires right now is being drawn directly from the Barnegat Bay. Lines are being run from the bay all the way here to the boardwalk.
Some 400 firefighters tried to contain the blaze with the help of 35 engine companies and 15 ladders. Crews also tore up the boardwalk at Lincoln Avenue and dug a 6-meter trench. A major rainstorm heading to the shore helped douse the fire. The cause of the fire that destroyed more than 50 businesses is still unknown, though an investigation will be led by the Ocean County Prosecutor's Office.